Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and watch videos on Spotify. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and next, without any further delay, we will simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is simply go ahead and open your Spotify app. Once the app is open, you will see this kind of interface, right? So what you gotta do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile's settings. So here in your data saver, here you see this option called video podcast. So as you can see, download audio only, this is also turned off. So in case if you have turned this on by default, simply go ahead turn this off, because this is actually, you are actually allowing your Spotify to only download audio right there. Simply go ahead turn this off, and as you can see, this also shows you the option called a video podcast. Then if you want, then you will again scroll down and find this option called a video quality, which is, as you can see, it's a Wi-Fi streaming right here. It's high and Celeris is setting it's medium. So even if you use your data, still want a high quality, simply go ahead change it from over here, and then you're good to go as well. So yes guys, regarding your video settings, this is how you can simply do it and watch your video there in your Netflix and enjoy it. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.